Okay, I'm Tony Interlandi from Monarch Law. We handle labor and employment issues, and the purpose of this video is to walk you through filing for unemployment compensation benefits with the Connecticut Department of Labor. So the first thing you probably have is an unemployment notice. It's a form UC 61. There's a form number here at the top. All the information would have been completed by your employer. The employer is supposed to give you this form, but that does not always happen. But if you did receive this, pay attention to section G, H, and I. Those dates are important. If you have a temporary layoff, then this section I should be completed. And if it's not, you can put the date your employer told you that you'd be returning when you file for benefits online. Or if you didn't have that date, then you can put April 1st per the CTDOL guideline. So the dates are important, as well as the reason for unemployment. And you want to double check this and make sure that it says lack of work or other, and not voluntarily leaving. If you voluntarily leave your employment, you won't be entitled to benefits, or if you are terminated for what they refer to as willful misconduct, which is intentional wrongdoing at the company, such as stealing money or bad-mouthing the company to its customers, then you won't get your benefits. So make sure that that is accurate here. And again, the purpose of this video is really to help you file for unemployment benefits if you were terminated or temporarily laid off. So once if you have that form, then you should go ahead and file for your unemployment benefits. You'll do a search in Google and just do CTDOL unemployment benefits. The first link should have what you need, okay? You're gonna click on that, file for unemployment benefits. You wanna read everything, okay? Read everything that's on here, especially the red text. You click on file, read all the text there, click proceed. Then you're gonna have to create a username and password. You read all this information. When you hit apply for benefits, that's when you create your username and password. Okay, so for a test run, we created a fake account, and I'm in, okay? So basically you go here and you're gonna fill out the triage questionnaire. Has your employer given you a definite return to work date? So if you were let go and you're not coming back, you'll hit no. If you do have a definite return date, hit yes. So for the purpose of this video, we're gonna assume that I'm coming back in a few weeks, okay? Will you return to work with the same employer within 6 weeks? Let's say yes. And then there's a bunch of follow-up questions, usually for some of these questions. So let's say it's going to be April 1st, or if we don't know what the date is, we were told to put April 1st, as I said earlier. The name of your employer, temporary shutdown. Do you have your employer registration number? If you do have it, or if you did receive that form that we looked at earlier, it should be on there, okay? But if they didn't give you a form, it's okay if you select no. When was your last day? Are you a US citizen? And then you'll go through these additional questions. Have you worked in Connecticut in the last 2 years? Go through them all. Have you worked in a state other than Connecticut? And we'll keep on going here. Have you worked for the federal government? No, no. I'm just gonna press no or select no. This is an important question. Are you able and available for full-time work? You should click yes, okay? Unless you contracted the virus and you are unable to work at all, you'll click no, but in all other instances, click yes, because if you are not able and available to work, then it's more likely than not you will be denied for unemployment compensation benefits. Well, let's just change this to no for dependents so we can get to the next screen. And then from this screen here, it's your information. You'll see claimant information, dependent information, employment history, income during layoff period, attestations. Is this where you're saying you've provided this information truthfully and honestly, and you swear by it, and then you can submit your claim. So it's a bunch of contact info here that'll get you through to the next page, and you'll go from there. So hopefully that was helpful. If you have any questions along the way, give us a call at Monarch Law, 860-969-2909 at our office in Hartford. You could also text us or call us in East Berlin, 860-828-2166. And we wish you the very best of luck. Take care.